Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about broad targeting and when you should start implementing it into your ad account. So, very important, you're starting right now. If you're having an established business and you're not running broad targeting, you should do it right now, okay? If you're running ads for a very long period and your pixel is trained, what's my crazy method? Start using broad targeting, it's a must. But if you're starting now, the ultimate goal is to reach to the point that you're going to do broad targeting. Why it's so important? We have so many interests that they have been removed from Facebook this spring. I believe it was April 18, maybe I'm wrong, or 21. No, April 21 it was the dictatorship in Greece. Sorry. The ultimate goal for a new ad account is to actually start from doing interest targeting, which is not very efficient right now because we don't have a lot of options. I have seen other accounts that you can start immediately with broad targeting and it's working perfectly, but still I don't believe that broad targeting is going to serve most of the ad accounts immediately. So start with options like targeting, even if they are broad targeting interest options, then try to have some stable results. Then try to go to lookalike audiences, and after you have successful ads with your lookalike audiences, this is the point that you need to start testing with broad targeting. The ultimate goal of each ad account right now on Facebook is to get to the point that is going to be able to spend on broad targeting campaigns efficiently and profitably. That being said, if we want to talk with numbers, the same numbers that they apply to the pixel, the same numbers apply also here. If you have a store which is having only one product, 100 sales, 200, 300 sales, depending on how mass appealing is your product, I think they're enough for you to start testing with broad targeting. If we're talking about a store which is a niche store with different products in a niche, I think that broad targeting should be around 500 sales or so, and in order for it to be profitable and so. And if you have a general store with general, and stuff, you need to have at least 1000 sales, I believe. So that's my idea about broad targeting and when you should start implementing it. This doesn't mean that you should not test it immediately. For example, when you start with another account, maybe you are lucky and it's going to work, okay? And at the end of the day, even if you hear 100 now, it doesn't mean that you should not test on 80, on 70, okay? Every account is different, you need to test. This is a video from me just to tell you how important it is to reach that level, okay? You need to start testing, but don't get super fixated that you will do only broad targeting. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You need to start with other steps if your ad account is new. If you're having an established business, you need to run broad targeting, maybe only broad targeting if it is possible, because this is the one that is going to bring you the best possible results and the results that you can actually also scale. That's all I had for you about this topic. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book and my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.